Teams login, how to set up Microsoft Teams. Now, if you want to log in or set up a new account on Microsoft Teams, you can see by default, this is the application that we have. Now, in this application, as you will be able to see right here, you can choose to pick an account of one of your existing Microsoft account to log in. But you can also click on use another account button right here. Now, again, if you have another Microsoft account, that's perfectly fine. You would be able to go ahead and then basically enter the email address of that account and then click on next. But if you do not have and you want to set up a new account, you just have to click on the create one button right here and then go on about creating a Microsoft account, which is of course a whole different process. Once you click on create now, you simply have to choose a certain email address that you would like to use for your particular Microsoft account. Click on next, choose a password and or get a new email address or a phone number instead, and you will be able to sign in. Otherwise, you can just choose one of your existing account, after which you will be able to sign in or log into Teams without any issues. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.